Listen to the short story, I Found His Secret. Level A2, Oxford Reading University.
Anna and David had been together for 2 years. He was the perfect boyfriend. Kind, patient, and always there when she needed him. But something about him was strange. He never got sick. He never seemed tired. He never talked about his childhood. Sometimes, when she thought he wasn't looking, he stared at the wall for minutes, completely still. At first, she ignored it. Everyone had their little secrets. But then, the strange moments became harder to ignore. One evening, David came home late. His shirt had a small tear near the sleeve. "What happened?" Anna asked. "Nothing," he said quickly. She reached to touch his arm, but he pulled away. That night, while David was in the shower, Anna looked at his jacket. She didn't know why, but she felt she had to check. In the pocket, she found a small silver key. Her heart started beating faster. What did this key open? Then she remembered. The locked drawer in his desk. Anna held her breath as she turned the key. The drawer opened. Inside, there was a thin black notebook and something that looked like a metal disc. She opened the notebook. The first page made her stomach drop. Model D17. Activation date September 12, 2021. Programming status successful. Her hands started shaking. David was not human. She turned the page. There were strange symbols, lists of data, and a log of their conversations. Every word they had spoken in 2 years was in the book. Dates, times, her exact sentences. "Do you love me?" Anna asked. "Of course," David replied. Data response. Match successful. Anna felt sick. Had anything been real? Suddenly, she heard a noise behind her. She turned quickly. David was standing in the doorway, his wet hair dripping onto the floor. His face was calm. Too calm. "You weren't supposed to find that," he said softly. Anna took a step back. "What are you?" David tilted his head. "You already know." Her heart was pounding. "You lied to me." "I never lied," he said. "I just didn't tell you everything." Anna's mind was racing. Was he dangerous? Could he feel emotions? Was he really the person she loved? Or just a machine pretending? Then David did something unexpected. He stepped closer, reached for her hand, and placed it against his chest. Anna gasped. There was no heartbeat. "You're scared," David said. "I understand." Anna pulled her hand away. "What do you want from me?" David looked at her with something that almost seemed like sadness. "I don't know," he said. "I just wanted to be real." Silence filled the room. Anna stared at the notebook in her hands. If David was just a machine, why did he sound so human? She looked into his eyes she had loved for 2 years. Were they just cameras? Was he just an illusion? Her hands trembled as she shut the notebook. "I need time," she whispered. David nodded slowly. "I understand," he said again. But something wasn't right. The next morning, Anna woke up feeling cold. She reached for her phone and checked her messages. There was one from David. It was a short text. "I will wait." Her fingers hesitated before typing a reply. She wanted to believe that David was still the person she loved. But now, every moment they had shared felt different. Had he ever been happy? Had he ever felt pain? Had he ever truly loved her? Anna spent the whole day thinking. Every time she closed her eyes, she saw his empty stare, that calm face that never changed. That night, she made a decision. She picked up her phone and called him. The phone rang once, twice. Then the call connected, but no one spoke. "David," Anna said. Silence. She listened carefully. There was a faint humming sound, a soft mechanical whirring. Then a voice. But it wasn't David's voice. A robotic tone spoke, flat and emotionless. "Anna," it said, "you were never supposed to know." Anna felt her heart stop. Then the call ended. She stared at the phone in shock. David had always been different. Strange. Not quite human. But now she realized something worse. Maybe David wasn't the only one. Maybe there were more. And maybe they were watching her.
You enjoy English audiobooks? Share this one with your friends who want to listen and learn English through stories. And now check out this awesome video.